So you're thinking of buying or building a new construction home here in Apex, North Carolina? Today, we're right here in the heart of Apex, and I'm excited to show you this beautiful master plan community called Retreat at Friendship. Today, I will show you model homes here in this community with variety of floor plans to choose from, and there's about 109 more home sites here available to choose from. So the builder here is MI Homes. It's beautiful. I mean, they're selling really fast here. And so this video will also show you a community that you'll be able to see the different floor plans available to choose. They start from 4 to 6 bedrooms, 3 to 5 bath, and the square footage is around 2,300 to 4,300 square foot homes. And you're also going to find variety of floor plans here. So whether you need more space for family, guests, or even home office, there's tons of options here that really fit your lifestyle. They also have a third floor living space and a basement homes available right now here. So watch out for my next video. Stick around also till the end of this video for the special financing available for you. Hey everyone, this is Ann Jeanette, your local realtor here in the Triangle of North Carolina, helping buyers to buy new homes and helping people to relocate to Cary, Raleigh, Durham, Apex, and surrounding areas. If you're looking for new construction homes, this channel is about living, working, playing, and owning real estate here in the Triangle. So make sure you subscribe, like, and hit that ring bell so you can be the first ones to know more about new construction home tours and relocation tips, whether it is 9 days, 90 days, or 9 months until you're thinking of making the move. Don't hesitate to give me a call, send me a text, write me an email. I get calls and texts and emails from people just like you every day, and I love it. Hi, welcome again to the Retreat at Friendship here. And today I'm showing you a beautiful another floor plan, and it's called Watauga. And this floor plan is about 2,900 square feet, 5 bathroom and 4 bedrooms. So I'll take you for a tour right now. So let's go. This is exciting. See, you can see this is a 2-car garage. And right away, as you enter this beautiful floor plan, you will be right here is your office space. Very good size. I like the fact that they have those 4 windows here that let the light in from that side. So it's beautiful French door here. And this is your foyer. And coming in, you have your powder room on this right side. And let's go to the bedroom first here. This door leads to the garage. Okay, this one you can actually just get an idea of the space of the garage. Okay. And there will be like your landing area here where you can put your purses and coats. And this one is your guest bedroom. It's a very good size bed here. I think this is queen size, and there's plenty of room for 2 side table and a dresser on that area. You can just see this, so they can see the space. And you get to have your own full bathroom right here on this side. And then here is your closet space. So there's one guest bedroom here. And now leading to this gourmet kitchen, stainless steel appliances. And to your right is your pantry. And then you have like a coffee area here if you want. This could be your coffee section, or plenty of space over here on this side. There's a lot of counter space here. And stainless steel appliances I mentioned, and gas stoves. And look at this stainless steel sink, and this quartz center island is huge. You can fit like at least 4 chairs here, high chairs for breakfast, or added eating space. And to your dining area here. This is a nice spacious table here. You can fit like 6 seatings or 8 seatings. You can add additional chair here. Very, very spacious. I like the fact that I just want to mention that they added this window here for more light to come in. I like that. It's beautiful. And on to your, this is so open. And on towards this section, look at this massive living space here. This is huge. This is a really big, spacious living area here. And I also want to mention about all the windows on this wall. This is a good, good thing to remember, that you can add like 3, those windows there that are really, letting the light in. I like that. And the space of this living area, it's so grand. Wow, you can fit like 2 big couches, 2 chairs, side chairs here. It's really nice. Spacious for entertaining and just, having a cozy night or family night here with family. And your screened in, I think their porch here is screened in. Let's take a look at their screened in porch. Right now. Right, there you go. For added living space here. You can enjoy, the time. Right now it's spring. You can enjoy a lot of time, outdoor time here. Spring, fall, reading your book and just, enjoying the outdoor. And let's go upstairs to the rest of the bedroom so we can see the living space here. Right away, you will be greeted by this massive loft space here. Wow. This is very big. This is a big area. Yeah. Wow. Plenty of space. Like I said, you can also put like maybe on this section your office space here. Plenty of areas. Or, when you have kids or you want to work from home, you can do this. Like put your tables here and then entertainment in the middle. Okay, let's see this one. This is the linen closets. More closet space there for towels, for, anything that you need storage. Let's go towards this area here. Here's one. This one is the other bedroom. This is not the primary suite yet. It's very nice. This must be a queen size bed, plenty of space. And there's a beautiful window here that lets the light in. Like I said, the size of this dresser is very big for more storage there. And then you have a direct access. This is nice because you can, from that bedroom, you can come here to this double vanity here, sink. And you share this with the other, other room here. And you have direct access from your bedroom. Right, shower and toilet. Okay, so from the hallway here, this room here on this side is much bigger than the other one. Wow. And you can put your dresser here. This is a good idea where to place all your furniture. If you happen to like this floor plan, this will be a good idea for you how to decorate strategically your furniture. So this one is good. You have your bed in the middle, and you have plenty of space here for your dresser and a mirror. And you can see from your the windows, and you can probably place a TV here if you want, television in your bedroom. And the closet space is right here. That's, for some reason, there you go. That's the closet space. Okay. And let's go here to the hallway. And to your left here, this is your place for your washer and dryer. And they have plenty of cabinets here as well. And there's a sink on this side. Okay. And now for the finale. Let us look at this primary or owner suite here. Huge. That's all I can say. Wow, look at that tray ceiling. I like the way they painted and added more moldings there. It makes it more, grand in here. King size bed, large side tables here. You can easily fit it, and more space towards here. And look at this floor space here. Plenty of room. I love that. It's so grand in here. Now let's step into the bathroom. 2 sinks and plenty of space. And look at the storage down here. Right? Look at all this. I love that. And the size of this shower. And you have that private toilet there with a window, which really helps if you're reading something. And this is the closet space, walk-in closet. Wow, look at that. Wow, nice. So, what is your favorite here? To me, I like this master bedroom a lot. It's so grand and spacious and plenty of room to, to breathe in. It's not crammed up. You have plenty of floor space here. And, if you want, you can decorate a night, you can put some seating, chairs here like this one. And then when you wake up, you don't want to, right? You can just relax here for a moment or talk to your, to somebody while she's there. So it's really nice. So the price range here is around mid 750s, going up all the way to 800 depending on the upgrades and floor plans that you choose. So that's it, and I'll see you next time. this is Anjanette, your local realtor here in the Triangle of North Carolina, helping buyers to buy homes and helping people to relocate to Cary, Raleigh, Durham, Apex, and surrounding areas. If you're looking for new construction homes, this channel is about living, working, playing, and owning real estate here in the Triangle. So make sure that you subscribe, hit and like and ring the bell so you can be the first ones to know more about new construction home tours and relocation tips. Whether it has to be 9 days, 90 days, or 9 months until you're thinking of making the move, don't hesitate to give me a call, send me a text, write me an email. I get texts, calls, and emails from people just like you every day, and I love it.
Keep it on repeat. Tested by the potion. Loving this devotion.